Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream puffs at home without an oven. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment. You'll need a sturdy pot and a reliable stovetop. Having everything ready and at room temperature ensures a smooth process, leading to perfect cream puffs every time. Let's get started on this delicious journey. Now, let's create the choux pastry. In your pot, combine water, butter, a pinch of sugar, and a dash of salt. Bring this mixture to a rapid boil on your stovetop. Once boiling, immediately add the flour all at once. Stir quickly and continuously until the mixture forms a ball and pulls away from the sides of the pot. This is the foundation of your cream puffs. After the dough cools slightly, beat in the eggs, one at a time, until fully incorporated and the dough is glossy. Now, it's time to shape your puffs. Pipe the dough into small, 1-inch mounds onto a non-stick pan or parchment paper. Cook these on your stovetop, covered with a lid, for about 10 to 15 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown and puffed up. Don't peek too early. Once your cream puffs are cooked and cooled, it's time for the best part, filling them. You can use a classic pastry cream, a light whipped cream, or even a chocolate ganache. Simply slice them open and spoon in your chosen filling. For a final touch, dust them with a sprinkle of powdered sugar. They're perfect for any occasion. Speaking of comfort, check out the description for a link to some amazing Darn Tough socks, known for their lifetime warranty and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.